Welcome to the 200 interview topics series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Question number 1. Do you like pens and pencils?
Yes, I enjoy using pens and pencils. They are useful and enjoyable tools for writing and drawing. They are available in a variety of colors and styles, making it simple to find something that suits your personal taste. Furthermore, pens and pencils make excellent gifts for friends and family.
Question number 2. Do you usually use a pen or pencil?
I usually write with a pen. It's easier for me to write with, and I like how it looks when I'm done.
Question number 3. Which pen are you using now? Why?
I'm writing with a Black Pilot G2 0.7mm gel pen right now. This pen appeals to me because it writes smoothly, the ink does not smudge, and it is available in a variety of colors. It is also very affordable, making it an excellent buy.
Question number 4. In your school days, which pen, pencil did you use?
I used a mechanical pencil with 0.7mm lead in school. It appealed to me because it was lightweight and portable. The lead was also very long-lasting and could be used for a long time before needing to be replaced.
Question number 5. When was the last time you bought a pen, pencil?
I last purchased a pen about 2 months ago. I received a pack of multicolored Pilot pens, which I use in my classes to take notes.
Question number 6. Do you think pens or pencils are suitable gifts?
Yes, pens and pencils are excellent gifts. They are practical and can be customized with special messages or designs. They also come in a variety of styles and colors, so you can easily find something to suit the recipient's preferences.
Question number 7. How will you feel if you are gifted a pen, pencil?
I'd be overjoyed if I were given a pen or pencil. It would be a thoughtful and useful gift that I would undoubtedly use frequently. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.